Tom, do you think title insurance is important?
Most definitely, and we are going to tell you why.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Catherine Larkin.
And I'm Tom Stack, and together we are the
TomKat Team. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tune in on Tuesdays, because you know if it's Tuesday, it's what?
TomKat Tuesday.
What is title insurance?
There's two kinds of title insurance. There are lender's insurance and there is title insurance on the deed of the property. Title insurance in Florida protects the buyer and seller from future possible losses based on title defects.
Tom, how long does title insurance stay with the property or the title?
For as long as you own the home, whether it's for a year or 100 years.
What is a title defect?
Title defect is any kind of error that's been made on the title itself, whether it is an omission or whether it's not finding a lien. All kinds of different things can go wrong with a title. That's why we have title searches to try and find all that stuff ahead of time, because Florida law requires that a property be sold with clear title. A number of years ago, we sold a property that was owned by a person who had 3 heirs. The happy-go-lucky title company back then only found 2 of them to sign off on the property, so there was this third person who could theoretically just waltz in and claim the part of the title.
That is true. They could just come right in and say, you know what? I didn't sign off on this. This is my home.
But because we had title insurance, the title person out of 320 million people in this country tracked down that one person and after 30 years said, hey, would you mind signing this piece of paper? The person did, so the title was now clear and it was allowed to be, the property was allowed to be sold.
And the thing is, had that person said, no, I don't want to sign off, you would have had a problem if you did not have title insurance, because that heir was entitled to that portion of the property or title. Title insurance is mandatory in the state of Florida, and you definitely want to make sure you have it. Now, in Florida, the way the contracts are written, title insurance can be negotiated between buyer and seller. However, usually in our neck of the woods, the seller pays to give the buyer a clean and clear title. Title insurance can vary depending on the price of the house. How much is title insurance, Tom?
If a property is $100,000 or less, it's $5.75 per thousand. If the property is over $100,000, the price drops a little just to $5 per thousand.
The best thing for you to do is to call your local title company or a real estate lawyer. You can even ask your realtor and they can find out exactly what the charges are.
Or you can ask us.
Ask us, ask away. Let's not confuse title insurance with lender's title policy. Tom, what is lender's title policy?
Well, that protects the lender, which of course is a nice idea, but it's the kind of thing that you have to have because of the requirements of the mortgage company or bank you're getting your funding from.
Remember, the lender's title insurance is only for the life of the mortgage. Once you have paid off the mortgage, you have satisfied the mortgage, that title insurance, the lender's title insurance, goes away.
Just flies away.
Flies away. So that's why you want to make sure that you have title insurance for as long as you own that property. If you would like to see a video all about what it costs for you as a seller to sell your home, then take a look at this video that Tom and I did, which explains all about sellers' closing costs. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and come back on Tuesday, because you know if it's Tuesday, it's TomKat Tuesday. I'm Catherine Larkin.
And I'm still Tom Stack, and together
we are the TomKat Team. Tom and I, we sell paradise in Pinellas.